Ezinye inhlangano zepolotiki zithemba bona imizamo kahulumende yokususa imithetho ekhandela amanye amabhizinisi ukuthi asebenze izokusiza khulu ukuhlumisa umnotho welizwe begodi lokho kuzokuvula amathuba wemisebenzi. Lokhu kwamenyezelwa ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nakathula ikulumo yesitshaba ngomhlolanja.
We are hoping that since now we have got a dedicated office that deals with red tape, it will also be able, working with relevant departments, to create a proper, more healthier environment for investment to flow in the country.
Setting this conducive environment means ensuring a more reliable supply of electricity, good infrastructure like roads, port services, and also ensuring that the red tape that the President spoke about in doing away with is something that's really done away with.
Abanye abanathemba lokuthi ilizwe lekhethu lizokhona ukudosa abasisi abavela ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle njengombana kuragela phambili ipi phakathi kweRussia neUkraine.
The most concerning thing, and that we want to register it as an organization, is that the likes of Aspen and NASPA are part and parcel of this investment conferences, which are run by the state. And we know fully well that they were also funding the election campaigns of the African National Congress.
No investor will ever invest in a country where corruption is the order of the day, where crime is out of control.
Nanyana umnotho welizwe unentshijilo ezingaka zokuhluma komnotho kabuthaka kodwana abanengi banethemba lokuthi bazokuthola abasisi abanengi nonyaka nje.